Ultra Home designs stunning modern homes, elegant exteriors, and timeless beauty. A home is more than a structure. It is the first feeling we experience when we arrive and the last memory we carry when we leave. Ultra Home design captures this feeling by blending beauty, balance, and purpose into spaces that feel powerful yet welcoming. Every shape, color, and detail works together to create homes that inspire at first sight. Across the world, modern homes are evolving to reflect thoughtful design rather than excess. Ultra Home design shows how simple architectural ideas, natural light, and balanced forms can transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary homes. These designs are not about trends, but about creating places that feel lasting and meaningful. Welcome to our home decor channel, where we explore inspiring homes in a clear and enjoyable way. This channel is created for everyone who loves beautiful living spaces, thoughtful design, and ideas that are easy to understand and appreciate. Ultra Home design begins with a simple idea. A home should feel right the moment you see it. It is not only about size or luxury, but about balance, harmony, and thoughtful choices. A well-designed home speaks quietly through its shape, color, and presence, creating a strong first impression that feels both impressive and welcoming. The exterior of a home sets the mood. Shape and proportion play a key role here. When walls, windows, and entrances are balanced, the home feels calm and confident. Even modern and bold designs feel comfortable when proportions are right. This is one of the simplest architectural ideas. When things look balanced, they feel right. Ultra Home design also follows the principle of function before beauty. A beautiful home should work naturally for daily life. Entrances are clear, paths are easy to follow, and spaces connect smoothly. When movement through a home feels effortless, the design feels successful, even without noticing why. Light is one of the most powerful design elements. Homes are designed to welcome natural light during the day, allowing sunlight to highlight textures and shapes. Light makes spaces feel open, warm, and alive. In the evening, soft exterior lighting adds drama and elegance while making the home feel safe and inviting. Material harmony brings everything together. Stone, wood, glass, and modern finishes are chosen to complement each other. When materials work in harmony, the home feels unified rather than busy. This creates a timeless quality that remains beautiful beyond changing trends. Color adds emotion and character. Neutral tones bring calm and elegance, while deeper shades add strength and depth. The right color choices help a home blend with its surroundings while still standing out with quiet confidence. Connection to nature completes ultra home design. Landscaping, greenery, and open views soften architecture and bring peace to the space. Homes feel most beautiful when they respect their environment and invite nature into the design. In the end, ultra home design teaches us that great architecture is not complicated. It is built on simple ideas: balance, function, light, material harmony, and connection to nature. These principles create homes that feel inspiring, comfortable, and lasting. Ultra home design is not just about luxury. It is about creating spaces that feel meaningful and human. Through thoughtful design, homes become places of comfort, pride, and everyday inspiration. True beauty comes from simplicity, balance, and intention. Through form, light, materials, and connection to nature, great homes are created not just to impress, but to comfort and inspire. Thank you for joining us on this design journey. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more elegant home designs and creative inspiration. Your support helps us continue sharing beautiful ideas from around the world.